How to fix distance on Tinder. Is Tinder showing the wrong distance or not letting you change your location? Don't worry, I've got the fixed. In this video, I will show you how to correct your Tinder's distance, change your location and even bypass restrictions if needed. So let's get started. Now, why Tinder shows the wrong distance? Tinder's distance feature can be inaccurate due to several reasons. If your phone's GPS is not working properly, Tinder might show the wrong location. Slow location updates. Sometimes Tinder takes time to refresh your real-time distance using a VPN. If you are connected to a VPN, Tinder may show a different location. Tinder Plus goal settings. If you have used Passport to change location, it might still be active. Now how to fix it? Step 1 is to refresh your location. Open the Apple Maps and ensure it shows the correct location. Tap onto the maps and open it. And if it is showing the correct location, then restart your phone and open Tinder again. Step 2 is to turn off battery saver and improve GPS accuracy. Another step is to use a VPN or GPS spoofer. If Tinder is not letting you match in the right area, try using a GPS spoofer or location changing apps. And the final step is to simply reinstall the Tinder. Delete the Tinder app. Keep on tapping on this app just like this and tap on to remove app. And after removing it, reinstall it. This forces Tinder to refresh your location settings. And that's how you fix distance issues on Tinder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.